Hi, it's Eva here at Stafford Land Rover, and today I'm going to be taking you around this approved used Land Rover Discovery Sport D200 R-Dynamic HSE. This vehicle features a 2-litre diesel engine which is seamlessly mated to an automatic gearbox and is seen here today in Santorini black. Starting our journey from the front of this Sport, where we'll find the LED headlights with our signature daytime running lights, ensuring a sharper view of the world ahead along with increased road presence. As we cascade along the sides, we'll see further features, all a courtesy of the black exterior pack, as it sits with utmost pride on a set of 20-inch gloss black alloy wheels. To the rear, also notice your privacy glass, ensuring all contents and passengers are safe from prying eyes, as well as the sleek look of the rear LED tail lights. Opening the powered tailgate reveals a vast and versatile amount of boot space, where you'll also be able to locate 2 further seats, making this vehicle perfect for those with larger families. Looking to the left, you'll also see easy to access controls for your electronically deployable tow bar, which I'm sure is going to come in handy with those equestrian and caravan enthusiasts out there. You'll also be able to locate cooling vents in the third row, ensuring utmost comfort throughout. Glimpsing into the rear of this vehicle, you will see your ebony perforated Windsor leather seats with your Mars red stitch. And glimpsing into the cockpit also reveals your 14-way heated electric seats with driver memory, ensuring every journey is as comfortable as the last. Taking a close look at your leather heated multifunctional steering wheel, which offers a sleek design and a wide array of features at your disposal. And advancing over to your Pivi Pro touchscreen, which is fully interactive, features Apple CarPlay, Android Auto and provides great detail about your vehicle and its surroundings. And to finalise our journey, we look up to see your panoramic sunroof, which is going to engross this vehicle in natural light. This has been a presentation of the approved used Land Rover Discovery Sport, which we now have available here at our dealership. For more information on this vehicle, do not hesitate to contact our friendly sales team today. Thank you for watching, and we cannot wait to help you find your next Land Rover.